Do you feel like you're not finding the right home? Costly home repairs and outdated features can make daily life feel like a chore. You might even be tempted to pay over asking in Parma's hectic resale market. Now imagine a home with a laundry room steps away from your bedroom. Brand new warrantied included appliances, an attached 2-car garage, and lawn care and snow removal. Welcome to South Pointe, a new townhome community in Parma where home ownership is easy and affordable. With its low taxes, easy access to downtown Cleveland, and variety of shops, restaurants, and parks, it's no wonder that Parma is one of the largest cities in Cuyahoga County. Parma is so much more than just another big city though. It's a city of culture and community. From the cultural community festivals featuring tasty pierogies to the many family-owned restaurants full of friendly faces, it's easy to feel at home here. We're thrilled to be bringing brand new construction homes to the city so you can say goodbye to resale bidding wars and hello to Ryan Homes' straightforward, stress-free buying process. Inside your home, you'll find plenty of high-demand features like an open concept kitchen and a laundry room just down the hall from the bedroom. Storing sports equipment and decorations is a breeze with your full basement and attached 2-car garage. Our unique floor plans and variety of upgrade options allow you to create a perfect home for your family. Build a home designed for your main level living, finish your basement and add a 4th bedroom, or even add a patio for relaxing outdoor retreat. Our team will work through every detail with you to build a home you will be proud of. Even better, when you build your luxury home at South Pointe, you will know your all-in pricing on day one, and our 1, 2, and 10-year warranties will give you a peace of mind for the future. South Pointe's well-manicured tree-lined streets will impress guests the moment they pull into the community. Your initial landscaping package adds a special detailing to make your yard uniquely yours. Beyond your home, you'll find wide open green spaces and dedicated recreation space, perfect for playing games, picnicking, and much more. After a long day, retreat to your private owner suite. Enjoy peaceful evenings as you get ready for bed in your ensuite bathroom and large walk-in closet. Dual vanities provide ample counter and cabinet space for even the most complex skincare routine. Upgrade your bathroom with a soaking tub or a seated walk-in shower for the ultimate relaxation. Want to know how you can make the dream of living at South Pointe a reality? Take action today and click the orange button for more information. See you soon.